Yes. Test ride number 1, come on. First 2 test rides, yes. Man, first I just did a little mile loop, came back, checked over everything, make sure everything was still there, the tire didn't fall off, etc. I would probably notice that. Then I did a 3-mile loop. Man, did it feel freaking great. Bike has all kinds of power, so smooth, relatively speaking. I mean, it is a Harley, but man, just outstanding. When I take the bike into the Harley dealership to have that new front tire put on, I'm gonna have them go through this thing and do an oil change and service the brakes and do all that to make sure it's really safe before I go on any of these road trips. We are real close. Certainly, over the past few videos, you've heard me lament that my garage is an absolute disaster. She's filthy and completely unorganized, and I need to change that. The reality is this bike goes for inspection in a few short days, and I need to present all the receipts to all the parts I replaced, which is not a big deal because I have all the receipts, with the exception of one. I cannot find the receipt for the forks, which is kind of a big deal since it's the most major part I replaced, and they will definitely need to see that. My fear is that receipt is in this garage somewhere, and I need to find it. So alas, I cannot wait much longer. I must organize this garage. Yep, I still suck. Looking a lot better, y'all. Not perfect, but much better. I can at least find stuff, and truth be told, I did that thing where I just take everything and put it in the driveway, and then my wife came out and finished the job for me. I love that thing. It's kind of our thing. And the best news of all, we found the elusive missing receipt tucked in another box. I knew we would find it. Tomorrow's the day, y'all. We are finally getting this bad boy inspected. I talked to the inspector, and they told me I have to have a front fender on this thing. Now, I was trying to get away with not putting one on. I can't really find anywhere where it says it's illegal not to have one. But the guy I talked to at the State Highway Patrol said I definitely have to have one. So because I don't have one that will pass inspection, I'm going to use the one that came on the bike, which is destroyed. So I'm going to cut the front end off and kind of just bolt it on for the inspection just to get that thing to pass. So first things first, let's get that fender on. Fenderish. Check out these gloves. My hands stay clean except for these two little fingers. What's the point? These two bolts are bent. Damn! Late night Home Depot run to get those last 4 bolts to put that fender on. This bike is almost done. Look at that bad boy. Who says I'm not a fabricator? Okay, the bike's done. It's getting dark out. Gotta go get the trailer, get this thing loaded up for tomorrow morning. Let's go. She's loaded up. We're all ready for the morning. All right, just got to the Ohio State Highway Patrol for the inspection. Went in there and they said, go wait in your car. They'll come get you. So we are waiting in the car. You see the bike back there. Never used this trailer before. Kind of sketchy on the highway, but we got here. She didn't tip over. So we're good to go. And we'll just kind of hang out and wait till they get here. Still waiting. We're about 15 minutes late at this point. I just talked to the guy next to me who's also getting his bike inspected. And he said he did this years ago and they were real swear words towards him. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know why they're so running so far behind. I don't even see anyone. Okay, we just got back from the State Highway Patrol where we passed the inspection. I didn't feel super comfortable filming inside the Highway Patrol facility, obviously. But here's how it went down. I pulled up, waited for an hour. They finally came and got me. I rode the bike back into their garage. I sat in the lobby. They looked over it, looked at my receipts. 10 minutes later, I was out the door. Next on the list, we head to the title company where we get the title switched from a salvage to a rebuild. Then we head next door and grab some plates. Plates, insurance, we're on the road. Wondering why I'm walking around my neighborhood staring at the ground. Boy, do I have a story for you, friend. So yesterday, after I got the new title, the plates, the insurance, you know I had to take that bad boy out for a ride. So I'm riding and I'm riding and I'm riding and I'm riding. I pull into my garage, shut the bike off, look in my pockets, and realize I don't have the key fob. That's right. I lost the key fob on my ride. So now I get to walk a nice 20-mile walk and try to find this little tiny black key fob that could be anywhere. It's always something. What an adventure. This is like one of the most awful scavenger hunts I've ever been on. I had my whole family looking for that key. My sister actually found it on the side of the road. Amazing. I snapped it back together. Let's see if she'll fire up. All right, so it's still run over, so the barrel key is a little bent up, so I can't get into the gas tank and I can't lock the handlebars, but I think we can get that pretty cheaply fixed. No! Looks like someone's already had some fun with the wires on this used fender. And now, another exciting edition of Dave Solders Stuff. I've realized that a large part of my channel is me soldering wires, which is extremely boring to watch. Thank you though. Please subscribe if you are not already. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Just like that, in a blink of an eye, the bike is done. So I just got back from another test ride. Every time I tweak the bike, I have to take it for another test ride, you know, get a couple more miles in on that bad Larry. When I'm on the bike though, it's just such a pleasure to ride, and I get such a feeling of pride that I was able to save this thing from the junkyard. And I'm really happy I took on this project and really excited about how it turned out. In the next video, we will go over the price breakdown. I tallied up all the numbers the other night and pretty eye-opening, and I'm excited to share that with y'all. So please join me next time. Like and subscribe, comment below if you want. And until next time, peace and love, y'all.